let's say the brand name Whisper.
Yes.
The name itself is Whisper,
Yes.
right? Or let's say sanitary pad advertisements that show women jumping
Yeah.
from one staircase to the other, riding horses and whatnot. What do you feel about that? As a woman, does that anger you? Do you find it funny? How do you think, who is making these scripts? What are they trying to convey? What do you feel about it?
A menstruator does not need to fly during those days. Like a person can fly every day of the month, or can lie down, or can sit as ever, like as he or she wants, but not like that. So there are painful periods for which we are demanding period leaves. Like there are periods when people cannot even get up from their beds or faint at workplaces or something. So I think this notion has to be changed, that you can fly when you are wearing a pad.
Yeah.
So basically, maybe the company wants to show that the potential of wearing my pad. See, you can achieve everything.
Yeah, they're trying to show freedom.
Yeah, freedom. But it's a wrong way of portraying that. And also the name, as you have mentioned, it's again tabooed, and it has come from generations. And so the topic should be whispered and not said aloud in front of people. Even in shops, when you go, people will leave
Pads in a black
plastic. Yeah, it's still like that. It's like it's given in black plastic. Though I haven't been for a longer period now, but I think it is like that only. And even the male person of the household doesn't really know that much as the female person about things. So I think things has started changing, but it needs momentum. And sometimes these pictures come like these movies of Akshay Kumar, Ayushmann Khurrana, which become game changer about things. And then people started accepting things as it is and started speaking it. So we need more of those things, because we are a small grassroots. We are doing whatever we can, but these type of things have a more national
Bigger impact. Yeah.
bigger impact. So people watch it, and then they feel it, and then they say, okay, it's right, then let's do it and all that. So I think these things are needed more nowadays. And times are changing. Menstrual cup was not even a thing when we started. But now menstrual cup has been, we can see in stores.
Yes.
It is there, and in our, even in the data which government gives about menstrual usage of menstrual products, menstrual cup is included. It's sad that menstrual pad, like clothes sanitary napkin, has not been there yet, but menstrual cup is there. So acceptance has become, like, it is growing, and I think it will change in another 5 years or 6 years. It will change.